Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fun DIY project that's sure to come in handy. How to make a mini soldering iron using just a lighter. Yeah, you heard that right. It's super simple, super cool, and a great little tool to have in your arsenal for those quick fixes and small electronic projects. Get ready to be amazed. First off, let's gather our supplies. You won't need a lot, which makes this project even better. You'll need a disposable lighter. A regular one will do just fine. But make sure it's got some fuel left in it. Next, grab a paper clip. Any standard size will work, but a thicker one might be a bit more durable. Then, get some wire. Copper wire is your best bet for good heat transfer, but other types will work in a pinch. Finally, a pair of pliers will be your best friend, and don't forget your safety glasses. Safety first, people. We don't want any accidents, now. Do we? Seriously, protect those peepers. Okay, let's get started. First, we need to prep the lighter. Take your lighter and carefully remove the metal piece that sparks. Be super careful when you're doing this. Sometimes those little sparkers can be a bit tricky to remove. If it doesn't come off easily, don't force it. You might need to wiggle it a bit or use the pliers to gently pry it loose. Now, bend your paper clip into a U shape. This will be the main part of your soldering iron, the heating element, so make it a good one. Next, take your wire and wrap it around the U-shaped paper clip. Make sure it's snug and secure. You want good contact for the heat to transfer efficiently. This wire is what will heat up and actually do the soldering, so wrap it tightly. Now, grab your pliers. These are for shaping the paper clip and helping us with the next step, ensuring everything is nice and snug. Time to put it all together. Grab your prepared lighter. Carefully insert the U-shaped paper clip and wire assembly into the lighter's nozzle. Make sure it's stable and won't fall out. You want a good connection. This is where your pliers can help, gently adjusting everything to make sure it's secure and ready to go. Alright, almost there. Now, for the moment of truth. The test fire. Hold the lighter and carefully ignite it. Keep your safety glasses on, of course. Always protect your eyes. Watch as the wire heats up. You might need to adjust the position of the wire to get the best heating. Sometimes, a little tweaking is all it takes. The goal is to get the wire hot enough to melt solder. We're aiming for that sweet spot. Once the wire is nice and hot, it's time to solder. Place your solder on the wire, and it should melt in fast. If it doesn't melt, then make sure your wire is hot enough, and that it's making good contact with what you're trying to solder. Awesome, it works. You've just made a soldering iron. And there you have it, a mini soldering iron made from a lighter. It's not the most powerful tool out there, but it's perfect for small jobs or emergencies, like fixing a broken wire on your headphones or quick circuit adjustments. Just be careful, as the wire can get extremely hot. Always let it cool down completely before handling it. Trust me, you don't want to burn yourself. Make sure you use it in a well-ventilated area, too. So, there you have it, folks. A fun, easy, and useful DIY project that's perfect for beginners. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more awesome DIYs, and share this with your friends who love to tinker. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think, or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.